What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do backside heel flips today with my friend and sponsored skateboarder, Kenny Goodman. Check it out. For these tricks, it helps if you can skate comfortably, ollie consistently, heel flips, and backside 180. If you don't know how to do any of these, please watch my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the simple steps for your backside heel flip. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this trick is low. Here's the foot setup position for your backside heel flip, so remember to take a screenshot for reference for later. Push off into medium speed and set your feet into heel flip position. Bend down and slightly wind up your shoulders so your chest is barely twisting forward to build momentum for your backside 180. Use that wind up with your upper body to swing your shoulders into your pop. Pop when your shoulders line up with your board, and keep that rotation so your back faces forward as you lean your head in over your toes. Pop hard and continue to lean your head in over your toes and kick your front foot out into your heel flip. Stay leaned in and keep your shoulders matching the rotation of your 180. Try to catch your board as high as possible, around 90 degrees, to spot your landing. As you land, center your head over the board and bend your knees to balance into your landing. Here's how to bail. If you miss your catch, straddle your board with your feet and keep your head leaned over your toes. Please share this video with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. Leave me your comments with your location, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you guys learned these tricks and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support us. Click the like and subscribe button to encourage me to make a new video for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.